From binary fractions to decimal. So we'll see how a given binary fraction is being converted into its equivalent decimal number. For that, what we do is we'll consider an example, binary fractions to be precise. So I'll write it as 1 1 0 1 point 1 0 1 1. So this is the given binary number, fractional binary number, and I want to write its decimal equivalent. So to do that, what we do is first I'll consider 1 1 0 1, and I'll write its binary equivalent, decimal equivalent. Then I'll consider the fractional number. Then I'll write its decimal equivalent. So 1. So I'll multiply this number by 2 to the power 0. I know the procedure already, and I multiply this with 2 to the power 1. I multiply this digit with 2 to the power 2, and I multiply the last digit with 2 to the power 3. And if there are any more digits, I have to continue this process. So it is 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1. So I'll get 1 over here. So next process is, next digit is 0. I'll not consider this. 0 into anything is 0 only. So next I'll consider this. This is 1 into 2 to the power 2 is 4. Nothing but 4. Next the last one. So here also it is 1. So 1 into 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1. I'm doing it, which turns out to be 8. So I have to finally add up all three numbers. So 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1 turns out to be 13. So its decimal equivalent is 13 point. The fractional part I have to yet do it. So I'll consider the fractional part now. So I'll consider 1 0 1 1. So the way I have written this as 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. For these things I'll write the positions. Let this be 2 to the power minus 1, and this will be 2 to the power minus 2, and this will be 2 to the power minus 3, and this will be 2 to the power minus 4. The way I have multiplied, here also I need to multiply. So 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 over 2, which is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 into 1 turns out to be 0.5 only. Next is 0 into this thing. So it turns out to be 0 only. So I'll not write this. So next is 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 is 1 over 2 to the power 3, which turns out to be 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 0.125. So I'll take out a calculator. I'll calculate 1 by 8, which turns out to be 0.125 into 1, which is equal to 0.125 only. Next is 2 to the power minus 4. I can write this as 1 by 2 to the power 4, which turns out to be 1 by 16. And 1 by 16 is 0.0625. So finally I have to add up all these numbers to get the fractional decimal equivalent. So I'll add up all those things. So first I'll write 0.5, then I'll write 0.125, then I'll write 0.0625. So I have to add up all these three numbers. So here I'll get 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 5 is 6.0. So this is the decimal equivalent. So I'll write it here, 13.6875. So this is the decimal equivalent. So this is how we convert a given binary fraction number to its decimal equivalent number. This is all about converting binary fractions to its decimal. Thanks for watching.